An Italian court has hit pause on extraditing the Heights man accused of murdering his pregnant wife and unborn child before fleeing to the U.S. away from the U.S. while on bond.
Yeah, the court wants additional guarantees from the United States that Lee Gilley will not be subject to the death penalty if convicted of capital murder. KPRC 2's Bryce Newberry live in the newsroom now with the new development in this legal battle. Bryce.
Yeah, Lisa and Keith, this new court order from Italy continues to delay any action with the capital murder case here in Texas after Lee Gilley cut off his ankle monitor and fled the U.S. while on bond. Italian judges today want the U.S. to guarantee he won't face the death penalty if convicted, while also appearing to take issue with the other punishment option of life without parole. Facing severe punishment for capital murder in Texas, Lee Gilley will spend longer overseas as the Italian government in this new court order seeks confirmation he won't be sentenced to death if convicted. The Houston father is accused of strangling his pregnant wife, Krista Bauer, in October 2024 before posting a $1 million bond, then cutting off his ankle monitor in May and fleeing to the country his late wife loved. Last week at the Turin Court of Appeal, Gilley told the judges, "I will not flee Italy without protection. It would be dangerous for me," adding, "I am asking for protection for myself and my children." Harris County prosecutors have never indicated they'd seek death for Gilley, but in an email cited in those court records, prosecutor Jana Oswald declined to file anything official with the Texas court to make that distinction. That email, the Italian judges say, suggests the Harris County District Attorney's Office hasn't waived pursuing death, and they want to guarantee the death penalty won't be imposed. The other punishment option would be life without parole. Gilley's Italian defense lawyer telling reporters even a life sentence without the possibility of parole must be considered an inhuman and degrading punishment. The Italian court is also asking for clarification about whether Gilley could be convicted of a lesser offense with a lesser penalty, which would be more aligned with the Italian legal system, where the government considers prisoners who get a life sentence eligible for release after 26 years. So the court has set August 31st as a deadline to get this information from the U.S., and a hearing is then scheduled for early September. The judges will have to decide whether to grant the extradition or deny it, which would effectively release Gilley in Italy. Live in the newsroom tonight, I'm Bryce Newberry, KPRC 2 News.
Okay, so I know you'll be following very closely, Bryce. Thank you. When Lee Gilley cut off his ankle monitor on a Friday night, it took until Monday morning before Harris County authorities and attorneys in the case were made aware of his whereabouts. That has prompted leaders like Harris County Commissioner Adrian Garcia to call for strengthening the county's electronic monitoring program. His office has not shared specifics of this plan, but has said any details are expected to be shared this summer, and there will be a cost tied to that.